Oh. Today we're going to learn about how to sneeze properly. Life skills! So the wrong way to sneeze would be something like this. Right in somebody's face. That's not nice. That's not nice, and they get spit all over them. Would you want that? I wouldn't want that. There's also the turn and sneeze. It looks something like this. Now that's a little more considerate because you turned away from the person, but you still just spewed your spit in the air. I'm going to show you the polite way to sneeze that also doesn't spread germs. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Look something like this. Second way to properly sneeze. I call this one the elbow. Now my spit's just on my arm. This is a last resort, using the hands. This is preferable over this. Third option, I call this one the collar. See, everything went down my shirt now. It's a little bit grosser because now you get spit all over your chest, but better than the elbow sometimes. We learned something new today. We learned something new. We learned something new today. We learned how to sneeze.